Fulfillment means that in Jesus there has come what the law and the prophets only announced. In him has come the fullness that is intended in them but not attained. In this fulfillment there is continuity and further deepening, but there is also break and replacement. What is at the core of Matthew's teaching is the law, that is the expression of God's will. It is now centered on Jesus Christ. He is the heart of the law. Jesus teaches us how to do the will of God fully by delving deeper into the substance of the commandments, avoiding the risk of formalism. In a series of antitheses, Jesus expounds on concrete situations regarding right relationship that must abound in a covenanted faith community. Please like and subscribe.